Hey y'all, welcome to your newest listing out here in Franklin Township. The address is 10945 Fieldview Court. Come on, let's take a tour. Here we are on the main floor of this unique property. One thing I want you to note about this property, there's going to be a lot of upgrades that you do not typically get on this pre-built home. So we are on the main floor, open concept. Take a look. Here we are in our chef's kitchen, huge kitchen, tall, big cabinetry. A couple of upgrades I want you to notice about this particular kitchen. You have quartz countertops. You have custom handles that were installed by the sellers and smart appliances. I mean, this stove right here, you can control with your phone. Check this out. Hey, we're out of milk. Here we are in our open concept living room space. A couple upgrades about this particular space. Number one, extra windows that are not going to be found from the builder. There's also this bump out area, as you can see, that is not from the builder. Additionally, there's an outlet underneath the couch that is an upgrade. Here we are in our office space on this house. Something about this house that's unique. In the upgrade in this office, you get these 3 windows. That doesn't come with the builder. This is a 5-bedroom house plus an office space. Oh yeah, let's go check out the basement too. Here we are in our basement area. It is an unfinished basement, but some upgrades about this. This is a full basement. Some of the homes in this neighborhood are not full. They're only half basements. We have a full basement. We're also on a walkout. Not many homes in this neighborhood have a walkout. Extra windows, extra outlets in the basement. This basement was designed to be an in-law suite. That's why you could see washer and dryer hookup. Take a look. Hey, as you can see, we're up here in our play area. Lots of natural sunlight. This is a great space for kids. Take a look. Here we are. Welcome to your master bedroom. In here, a couple upgrades about the bedroom itself. You're going to have the tray ceiling, which makes it feel a lot bit bigger. Throughout the entire property, this has can lights. Also, you have the ability to put ceiling fans in every room. I want you to take a look at the bathroom. In the bathroom, you're going to notice the countertops are quartz, brand new cabinetry. The walk-in shower is just delightful, and something I appreciate is the black hardware throughout. Take a look.